The next topic is decision trees, and the main difference between decision tables and decision trees is decision trees allow us to analyze multi-stage decision making. So one decision leads to another decision and another decision. So it's much more powerful tool. And as I said earlier, I'm going to make use of a open source cloud-based software as service decision tree tool. And okay, so here are the steps. Define the problem, structure, and draw the decision tree. You assign probabilities to states of nature, and then you'll work backwards, computing the expected monetary value from one decision to the next in the backward order. Okay, so here are some basic notations that we need to be familiar with, because tree starts from the left to the right. So this is your first decision. Okay, what are the possible alternatives? And each alternative will lead to a chance node. So this is a square node is the decision node, and the circle represents a chance node. Okay, that means there's going to be states of nature coming out, and you'll have probabilities assigned to each of those branches. And these states of nature may lead to either another decision node or maybe another state of nature. So one state of nature node can lead to another state of nature node. That's possible. And so you'll have a tree. Once the tree is constructed, and this decision arrows or edges that represent decision will have monetary values associated. The edges coming out of chance node may have monetary values associated also, but it will also have probabilities associated with that. All right. So we're going to use the open source decision tree software is available in this website. So I'm going to copy this website. All right, go to favorite browser. All right, so this is the website. So you can run, and you can report bugs, you can do some development if you like, and there is a resource manual. If you click the manual, it will give you instructions as to how to construct and some additional information. So you can go through these links one by one for more information, okay, with usage tricks and known issues and so on and so forth. But we will dive right in. Okay, click run, and that's going to give you the main sheet or page with nothing on it, of course. Okay, so all you have to do is to right click and start adding. And I'm going to use our original example of the manufacturer tree something. All right, so we have construct large plant, construct small plant, or do nothing, are the three possible decisions that we can choose from, and favorable or unfavorable are the possible states of nature. So we'll start with that very simple tree. So right click, so it'll give you options, and the two options are either you add a decision node or a chance node. So I'm going to choose decision node. All right, so to click on that, then you have label, so I can give a label to it, and I'm going to call it plant decision. Okay, all right, so now I right click on the plant decision node, and I can add another decision node or chance node or a terminal node. We'll come to terminal node in just a second. But now, once we make a decision, what we have is a chance node where you will have either favorable or unfavorable market condition. So I have to do chance node, right? And this chance node is going to be, well, the chance node is now connected with the edge. Okay, so we are still at the decision node, plant decision. Okay, this one edge connects to the first chance node. The edge should be labeled now, and the edge represents the decision. So large plant. Okay. All right. So now add another chance node, and that inserts a chance node and connects it with an edge. So you have a second edge, and that would be small plant. And we need one more, and that would be do nothing. Okay. So now here we have a chance node, and coming out of that chance node would be the states of nature. So right click the chance node. Now that's it. After that there is nothing else. The favorable or unfavorable, and that's going to give us the monetary outcome. So what we need here is a terminal node. Okay, so now terminal node, and the name of the edge is going to be favorable, right? And the payoff is 200,000. Okay, and the probability, okay, is 0.5. Okay. Now we need another terminal node. Okay, so now that's going to be what? Minus 180,000, and probability is 0.5. Okay. So now we have to repeat that here. Now this allows copy paste. So if I didn't have this, I can just copy that node and paste it here. So for example, right click, copy, and then right click there and right click and paste. All right, so I'm going to get rid of these. So let's make it a little easier. So of course I have to now name this edge as small plant. Okay, so now we have to change the payoffs for small plant, and payoffs will be favorable would be 100,000, and unfavorable will be minus 20,000. Okay. Now third, do nothing. You really don't need to have favorable and unfavorable, because do nothing gives us zero monetary outcome, and that would be a terminal node. So I'm going to simply insert a terminal node. Okay. And label is going to be do nothing, and payoff will be 0. Okay. Now we are done with the tree. So the analysis is going backwards actually. So the computations are automatically done. So it takes the monetary value multiplied by probability, monetary value multiplied by probability, then you get the expected value, which is 10,000 for this node, chance node. Same here, 100,000 times 0.5 minus 20,000 times 0.5, you get 40,000, and this is 0. Okay. Now work backwards, go to the root node. So now there are three alternatives and they have expected monetary value. So if this is the branch that you select, your expected value is 10,000. For this it is 40,000. For this it is 0. So 40,000 is preferred. So 40,000 is displayed here automatically. And the chosen branch has a thicker arrow. Okay, so this is a thicker arrow. So that means that's what we are choosing. The other two are pruned away. Okay, so this is an example of very simple decision tree, and we can save the decision tree in a local folder. So that's the one, save current diagram, and it is saved as a JSON file. You can give a name and save it in your local drive, and then afterwards if you want to open it back again and work on it, then you have to do that and navigate to the folder where you saved it and open it.